Alright, let's do a quick video on this. Here are features. You guys have seen these before. This one has a couple of features in it here. A couple of USB 3s, a 2, micro scan card, larger scan card. Has Ethernet and DP connection for video monitor. Put these around in here. HDMI 1, 2, USB 2 port, a plug, and a microphone headset. I'm going to put the PDF attached to the description of this so you can check it out to make sure it works with your machine. I hear these work with Macs and PC computers. Alright, and download that PDF.